Yeah, hi everyone. Thanks for taking out time. The best place to present chaistocks.com is NSE, definitely. It's all about stocks, right? Okay. Three promoters. This is me. I've been in stock market since last 8 years. Regularly come on media, ET Now, even write for Economic Times several times. Other two founders are technocrats. One is a graphic designer, second one, Rajkumar, is a programmer. So, what is the market problem? What problem are we trying to address to? See, traders and investors in India or across anywhere in the world require advice if they want to directly invest in equities or commodities. Now, available advice in India is either expensive or it's confusing or sometimes even fake. Why expensive? If you go, there are many, around 50 mom and pop websites which provide trading and investment advice, but the charges are monthly from 1,000 to 25,000. The advice could be confusing. It could be like you go to Money Control, you see balance sheet charts, you see so many news info. Now a layman, maybe a IT engineer who does not understand balance sheets, what will he do? Right? So it's kind of confusing. And the last part, it could be fake. The SMS that you are getting someday in the morning could be from a stock operator who is trying to promote his own stock, or the promoter's stock who is tied up with. So now what is the solution to this problem? See, Chai Stocks is an independent research house that gives stock investment and trading calls at no charge. Now we plan to provide crisp technical recommendations, and recommendations are generated by an expert team. All these recommendations are based on research logic, and after several examination parameters that we come out with a recommendation. And we on the website chaistocks.com, we plan to provide it in a very highly engaging fashion. Now, we started chaistocks.com in May, and till date we have approximately 250 plus users, and the users are liking it. We are getting mails from the users that they think it's an amazing service and they can't believe it is for free. They want us to add more features. They have started suggesting us the features, and a person called Vinay felt that this was a big boost for people who directly want to invest in equities. Now, what is the market size and potential? See, there are approximately 2 crore Demat accounts in India. Now, add to this, there are 5 crore Facebook accounts in India, and 90 crore mobile connections. Now, using all these statistics in convergence open up a very big potential for stock recommendations to be given. And once these recommendations are given to the users, if they like it, they can share it, they can comment on it, and it can be integrated with Facebook and have similar features which are available on Facebook. Plus, there are 90 crore mobile connections, so you know what is the potential of an SMS. Now, day by day, if you observe, online seekers of information are rising. And in India, we have approximately 10 crore internet connections. And see, all of us are generation now. We need information quick and fast, and we want results very quick. See, very few people are having a mentality of kind of a Warren Buffett, instruction based. There are TV channels like ET Now, CNBC, which are giving information. But if you see, you cannot watch TV entire day because it's an information overload. They talk about 7,000 stocks. You cannot invest your money in 7,000 stocks. Broker tips, wherever you open a broking account, the broker even gives tips, but not to all their clients. For example, Motilal Oswal has 7.5 lakh clients. If one tip goes to 7.5 lakh clients, imagine the kind of participation that stock would see. That stock would explode. So they cannot give same recommendation to 7.5 lakh clients. The recommendations that come out of such brokerage houses are divided based on the client sizes. If HNI gets some other information, research house, and we have experienced analyst on board. So we do not foresee that kind of a ban, if at all it comes, to affect our business. Exactly same kind of service can be offered by some other people, but in this case, when you are providing some value-based advice, the offering can be same, but quality will significantly differ based on the experience and knowledge of the analyst. Right? So That's it from chaistocks.com. Do visit it when you go home today and do log in.
Fantastic. Exactly 10 minutes. Fantastic.
I think we should get a couple of questions in. Otherwise, it will be like a monotonous. Let's break it a little bit.
Okay.
So I haven't got a mail, but maybe we can shoot like one. Anybody in the audience? Yeah, sure. Perfect. No, who better than to ask?
One that I keep getting a lot of SMSs on stock tips and all those things, and I'm sure a lot more people get them, but no one listens to them because or acts on that because I'm not sure from where it is coming from. Second thing, I'm not sure about the model. All other people are charging some amount subscription. They're not charging that. So just based on advertising, is it sustainable and all those things? I have still doubts about that.
Yeah, it is sustainable. That's what the business model is. And see, there are so many people who cannot advertise in any other medium, even print. They will find a medium to advertise. And see, this Chai Stocks, the offering of Chai Stocks can be, it's a mass offering actually. Large number of people require advice. And large number of people want to advertise. So Chai Stocks will become a platform where one side information is given for free so that users come in every day, and on the other side, businesses will find a place to advertise. Yes.
How do you plan to build your brand? So I would go to a moneycontrol.com, or I'd go to this thing because they have a brand behind it. They have some kind of credibility. Like what is your plan, your future plan to build that kind of credibility in the space?
See, in this kind of business, a lot of brand building happens mouth to mouth.
Yeah.
See, if you take a stock tip from Chai Stocks and that goes right, you will refer it to your friend.
Okay.
So, see, word of mouth is always has been worked as the best way of brand building.
Anything else?
We do not plan to advertise.
Okay.
We will want people to advertise with us.
You want to ask something? Yeah, go ahead.
What kind of logic and analysis will you provide the investment?
That's a good question.
Yeah, that's a good question. All our stock recommendations are based on a way of research called technical analysis. It is a study of charts. And if you start reading the logic given to each stock tip, eventually even you'll start learning from it because it is presented in a very friendly way.
So
Yeah.
I want to ask a question. I want to guillotine this guy now. Let's get ready for the guillotine. Someone get ready to take his head away. So Mr. Milind, I sent you a funny email, right? So here's the deal. You don't mind, right? If you get guillotined. So he recommended buying Maruti. Now here's the deal, right? Good stock, great recommendation. It actually went up. Fundamentally, you were right. Intrinsically, right? Technically. Fundamentally, we know what's happened. Terrible. Stocks dived, everything is really terrible. This brings me to the fundamental question. Forget about, you're great in what you're doing, right? No doubt about it. And may you prosper. And just to answer your question about the the free versus charge, let me actually defend you first and then slaughter you. The defense is that a lot of models in the world were built to disrupt what was being charged for. Great example, weather. The weather channel was just disruptive. Why would weather be free? Earlier, used to tune into weather just to get onto radio, but radio was a sponsored medium. So there's been Encyclopedia Britannica is a great example, right? Completely destroyed because information became free. So there are many incentives to make classifiable, simple, non-changing information or changing information that doesn't, depend on a variety of factors free. And there's a big business around that. My question to you is, there is no proven success for the BSE, if I may use the word, is 1981. Base index 100. Today is 20,000, right? 17,000. So 1700 time appreciation on the BSE since 1981. Nothing is giving you that kind of return. But it's 1981 and we're 2012. Why do I even bother with technical stock picks? Because fundamentally no one has made money. Tell me forget the Warren Buffett. Name me 3 people who've become rich by doing what you have done in the world.
First name, sorry.
I'll tell you. Paul Tudor Jones, all these hedge fund managers in America, they've all.
Hedge fund is leverage, boss.
Okay,
You
there's
need leverage.
There's Dr. C.K. Narayan over here.
But you need balance sheets for that, right? You need personal, you need to trade yourself.
But that's what he's doing, right?
I don't know, I can't remember. I don't know.
We are not here to manage anyone's portfolio. We are just providing advice. You take the advice, you trade by yourself, you take your own risk. We teach you how to take risk. If you go to the strategies link on the site, it really tells you how it is so easy to manage your portfolio.